You're missing out if you hold crypto and are not staking it to earn passive income from the compounding of your investment growth. Indeed, based on what I'm about to teach you in this video, you could possibly set yourself up to produce a full-time income only from the interest you earn on your crypto holdings. Hey guys, it's Clever Money, and on this channel, we love discussing all things money, especially ways on how you can wisely monetize your time online. Today, I'm going to break down how DeFi staking works, some different ways to do it depending on your objectives and risk tolerance, and once we have covered all of the different types of staking, I am going to break down a game plan for how I would use $5,000 to eventually be able to make $5,000 a month passively using the strategies we will discuss in this video. Nevertheless, regardless of how much money you have to start with or what your investment goals are, these ideas will apply to you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. With that out of the way, let us get started. In its most basic form, DeFi staking is the process of locking crypto assets into a smart contract in exchange for becoming a validator in a DeFi protocol or a Layer 1 blockchain and earning incentives for executing the tasks required of the role. DeFi staking is a phrase that is frequently used to refer to all DeFi actions that entail a temporary commitment of crypto assets. A decentralized blockchain network structure is built in such a way that each block is confirmed using the proof of stake algorithm or POS. Individuals who store their digital assets on a platform will be required to actively participate in transaction oversight and will be compensated for doing so. Holding or locking DeFi tokens under a smart contract is known as staking. You will be rewarded a power of approval vote for executing transactions after your stakes are locked up. This procedure ensures that the staker's contract with the blockchain ecosystem is fulfilled. Other advantages of staking DeFi tokens include staking DeFi tokens will always provide you with a steady stream of passive income. You will not have to worry about entry fees because DeFi tokens charge incredibly low fees anyway. DeFi Staker is very user-friendly and easy to get started with. The potential interest rate rewards will be much higher when staking with DeFi tokens, and DeFi tokens are highly valued. It does, however, have significant drawbacks. Of course, the idea of collecting incentives solely for storing cryptocurrency is appealing, but realistically, no major gains can be expected. Staking typically yields lesser returns than the network's standard block rewards. When the majority of assets are held by a few significant players, the risk of centralization is very high. Furthermore, because users attempt to retain currencies in their accounts for as long as possible in order to maximize profits, there is a strong possibility of a decline in overall Bitcoin turnover. Staking also entails the removal of an item from circulation, thereby blocking cash in the wallet. This indicates that the user won't be able to spend money till the staking period is up. His funds, in other words, are illiquid. I have got 3 staking platforms here that I'm going to talk about today. And the first one is Shisha Finance. Shisha Finance is a decentralized mutual fund that delivers seamless solutions for premium crypto portfolio diversification and incentives, which sets it apart from other platforms. Shisha Finance's official token is called Shisha. Shisha Finance aspires to be the most comprehensive DeFi solution in the Bitcoin industry. Investors can easily get value from a varied selection of high-profile projects by staking their Shisha tokens on the Shisha Finance platform. Staked assets on the Shisha Finance platform are rewarded in Shisha as well as tokens from the world's top upcoming DeFi projects, addressing the issue of lost potential revenue and locked liquidity for the average investor. What is Shisha Finance and how does it work? Anyone who invests their tokens on Shisha Finance is eligible to get a portion of the reward tokens distributed by the pool of partner enterprises. The amount of prize you will earn is proportional to the amount of shisha you own. One of the advantages of using shisha finance is that you don't need second sight to negotiate the best bargain or to be aware of upcoming private sales. By investing shisha in partner initiatives, the shisha finance team does the legwork for you and you can track the results on your personal dashboard. Your wallet can be used to claim the incentives you earn. In the future, Shisha Finance will function as a decentralized autonomous organization or DAO, allowing you to vote with your Shisha on which projects the DAO should support. Kucoin Lending is the next one. Kucoin has established a reputation as a crypto lending platform. Kucoin is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that was established in 2017. It has subsequently evolved to become one of the world's most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges. It now has over 8 million registered members worldwide and a plethora of digital goods. A customer to customer loan tool is one of the KuCoin's most amazing features. Users who require financial assistance are paired with the most suitable lenders. When a transaction is matched, the borrower receives the funds and the lender earns the agreed upon interest. Lending using KuCoin is second to none. What are the lending rates for KuCoin? The rate or interest rates can be simply defined as a percentage computation of the returns on an investment fund. KuCoin offers up to 300% APR or annual percentage rate, although most cryptos offer 6 to 12% interest, with some cryptos reaching 50% to 70%. Simply look at the daily interest rates for the various cryptos and multiply them by 365 and you will have the annualized return. Blockfy is the third platform we will talk about. Blockfy has created a name for itself by attempting to bring traditional banking services into the Bitcoin arena. Users of the site can earn interest on their Bitcoin or use it as a collateral for loans, which is a feature that few competitors provide. Customers can earn up to 4.5% annual percentage yield or APY on their Bitcoin based on the amount they have on the platform. Though BlockFi's withdrawal fees are not the cheapest we've seen, you can avoid them by withdrawing less frequently. Each calendar month, the platform offers one free crypto withdrawal and one free stablecoin withdrawal. Users can start trading with a minimum of $20 if they are utilizing cash to trade via ACH, according to BlockFy. The minimum amount to swap stablecoin for cryptocurrency or crypto asset for crypto asset is $1.50, and its crypto interest accounts have a no minimum balance requirement. Additionally, while BlockFi does not impose trading fees on its platform, it does mark up crypto assets with a 1% margin. According to the corporation, that figure is subject to change depending on market conditions. BlockFi offers one free stablecoin withdrawal and one free crypto withdrawal each month. Following that, costs apply, which vary depending on the sort of cryptocurrency in question. A Bitcoin withdrawal, for example, would cost 0.00075 BTC. BlockFi's loans and interest products may be worth investigating if you are interested in using your cryptocurrency to earn interest or free up some cash without selling your crypto holdings. So now comes the fun part, where I'm going to write down a procedure that you can utilize to take $5,000 and turn it into $5,000 each month by passively staking your cryptocurrency. If we start with the Shisha Finance and invest $5,000, the best strategy, in my opinion, is to liquidate the positions into BNB each week and leave them on your MetaMask. If we do that every week, we will not only be making around 400% each year, but we will also be getting the growth appreciation from BNB's expanding worth. As a part of step 1, at the end of every month, if we add the BNB to KuCoin and stake it at 0.005 for a 28-day term, we can get appreciation on the BNB, earn interest on it that will compound into our investment, and then each month, remove the BNB from our wallet that comes from Shisha Finance and add it to those positions as well. Step 2 of this procedure would be to convert BNB assets to USDT and sell at 8% with the APY reinvested in USDT. Step 3 would be to move the USDT equity out of Kucoin and into Blockfy with USDC staked at 8%. After that, sell Shisha and expand it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, or some of your other significant holdings, which you can then add to your overall passive income from interest on your crypto on Blockfy by transferring all of your big holdings to Blockfy and compounding them. I hope this has provided some clarity and laid a foundation for you to begin your staking process. If you like this video, please press the like button and let us know what you think in the comment section below. That will do it for today, everyone, and see you next time.